Hey guys, there's another customer states the car misfires on idle. We got an engine light on, and yesterday I got a call from the customer, and diagnosed it. He's recently been to the mechanic shop, changed one of the ignition coils, the cylinder 3, which is still misfiring, and only one of the spark plugs. So I'm gonna take this out and show you what the problem is. Hopefully we're gonna resolve the problem. So guys, again the EPC light is on, the engine light is on. I hooked up my scanner to see what the problem is. Hopefully we can trigger that. Okay, we're gonna go to system scan. The engine is misfiring. I can just feel it. Into engine electronics. Okay, so we got multiple codes. We have a cooling system performance. We're gonna look into that. We have a catalyst system bank 1 and the misfire, right cylinder, and the EVAP leak. I've already checked this one. The gas cap seal is cracked, so yeah, I already ordered the parts. We're gonna fix this one, hopefully. And yeah, that's what for now. We're gonna do the ignition coils and the spark plugs, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, welcome back again, and I got the ignition coils out, which was already one of them, probably this one, was already replaced by one of the shops recently. And we're gonna go ahead, and yeah, this is a 2010 Audi A4 Quattro 2.0. So we're gonna go ahead, take out the spark plugs, and see what the problem is. Okay. Wow. Let me just focus this. The spark plugs seems to be in a very bad condition. Let me zoom out. As you can see, probably that's causing the misfire. I'm gonna open up the rest 3 cylinders and show it to you guys. So guys, I got the spark plugs out, and that is how they are looking. Probably one of them he has changed recently. Should be, I don't think so, it's this one. I think it's this one, but still we're gonna change all 4. I got the NGK spark plugs. We're gonna put that, and the coils I got all 4. We're gonna change it and see how it runs. Okay guys, all set. I've installed all 4 new ignition coils and the spark plugs. Sorry for my voice. I'm going through a little bit of cold and cough. So that's all installed. These are the old ones. We're gonna go crank the car. Start. Okay, the engine light is still on, but I don't feel any misfire. We have to go clear the codes. I'll turn off the car. Ignition on. So I'm gonna clear. Perfect. So all the codes are clear. We're gonna turn on the vehicle. Okay, the engine light has illuminated and we don't have any code, but I'm gonna take the car for a drive and see how it runs. Stay tuned. So guys, I took it for a good test drive. As I can see, there is no misfire on in the car, but I recommend the customer to drive it more, take it for a good drive in highway and see and get back to me. But overall the car runs smooth. I hope you can hear the engine voice, I mean the engine noise. It's like running smoothly, that's what I mean. Yeah, stay tuned, we're gonna get the feedback of the customer soon. After he is satisfied, we'll take it for a drive and we will get the review from him for sure.
Hear directly from our customers why they choose us for their vehicle needs.
Okay, so Mr. Sam fixed the spark plugs, diagnosed all the codes, fixed the misfiring, yeah. And amazing guy, I would recommend it to everyone. He makes sure that the job is done completely. Make sure you're satisfied before leaving. Great communicator, and I would definitely recommend Mr. Sam.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ron.
No problem. Thank you. It was a pleasure doing business with you. Really call you for next time too. Hopefully I don't get any more issues.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed. You win. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your vehicle deserves the best care, just like our satisfied customers. Call now.